Good morning. I am on my way to the Quince festival here in our village. It's a Sunday morning. I didn't realize this morning that we had the end of daylight savings time. So I got up and the sun was shining when it's usually dark. It's Noah's birthday. So we are going to have a beautiful lunch with some friends in a neighboring village. And I'm very excited this morning to go check out this festival. We'll see exactly how many vendors are out because for a Sunday morning, the French do like to get up late. I am most excited about is all the food that's going to be here right now. Bonjour. Noah would like that, the digestif. Mon mari, il adore l'apéritif et digestif. Bonjour. This is where all of the goodies are right here. All the figs. I know it's a Quince festival, but you can't help but look at all the beautiful cheese. I just got back from the Quince festival. I bought some of the local specialties, like the Quince brioche, which I cannot wait to try, a croissant, some figs, some cheese, a Quince almondine, a French pastry. It has vanilla cream, Quince jam. I cannot wait to try that. We are off to lunch for Noah's birthday and back for more fun.
Crazy windy day here in Cotignac. But yeah, we got the Quint.
Le Fête de Quint. The Quince Festival.
Festival. Today's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
I think I'm like in the 35 to 40-year-old range. I'm not sure, but my lovely wife has got me some beautiful gifts. We went to have lunch with friends. We had some beautiful wines, and now we're going to go see the Quince Festival.
Fête de Quint.
So let's go see what it's like.
The Fête de Quint.
I just want kisses all day. Okay.
All right, let's go get a digestif.
Oui, digestif.
Noah is a little tired from the lunch we just had, so he's going to stay home, and I'm going to go back to the Quince Festival. I'm walking through this old passageway right now, and look at this door. A door from 1703. Oh, that's amazing. All that history. On to the Quince Festival. Looks like the party is about to start over here. Oh, and this is what I want to get for Noah right here. We'll see what they have. We're going to have a taste of these two here. These are from the Alps, and they said not too sweet, and we'll take a little taste of these. The Quince Festival had pretty much petered out by the time I got back tonight, but I was able to get those two great digestifs for Noah. Good morning.
All right, Monday morning. Here we are at the job site.
The roofers are here. We're waiting for Manu the mason to go through everything.
We're getting ready to put the roof on this bad boy.
We basically are in a shell of a house right now.
Yeah, we have no doors and
which
no windows.
Which is good news, which means we're making progress.
Yep.
All right, let's get to work.
Hard at work. It's coming along nicely.
We're speechless.
Yeah, we're overwhelmed with work. I'm gonna take apart this bed now, bed frame, so I can start really attacking this floor.
You want to keep this bed?
I do, but I need to take it. I have to work in here. There has to be
I know.
tile laid. It has to. It's the whole thing that has to be done.
Manual labor, administrative duties.
That's right. Beautification.
Unification.
Simplification.
We're trying to decide whether or not we should keep this bed. It looks like it was painted green and then blue. We guess we could refurbish it.
Refurbish it for sure.
Well, we'll have to decide. At least we'll have something in the meantime.
Put it over. Hang on. On that side. No. Go over there. Right there. Just look right there. Right down the ground here.
High five.
Just had a tragedy at the house. The windows broke. The wind got to them. I had them leaning here. Somehow the wind blew them over. Devastating. Devastating. All right, I'm going to start chopping this up, moving this whole floor out of here. It's going to be a big project. You can't even see this. Oh, well, this is going down. Anyway.
It is windy out here.
They're putting up the ceiling now. These units come all together as one unit. They put those up. It's got the insulation, it's got the It's got the stuff on the bottom. Everything is perfect. Yeah, that's going to be nice. We'll have like 6 of those across there, or 4 of them, 5 of them.
I'm so excited. It's really coming along.
Yeah.
We'll actually have a ceiling now.
Yeah, we will.
This is cool to have, isn't it?
Yeah, that is cool. For wiping off dirt on your feet. And now the skylight, the first skylight is out. All right. It's good stuff. All right, we've been working all day, and Jenny wants to call it quits here.
I think it's time for a hot chocolate break.
I don't think it is. I think you need to keep working, but we're going to call it a break. And we'll hit this up again tomorrow.
And plus, Noah has a tournament tomorrow, so he has to go practice.
So actually, we won't hit it up tomorrow. We'll hit it up on Wednesday.
A biento.
A biento.